This is our garage garbage can. This is by Simple Human. This thing holds a lot. Whoa! So this is like an industrial kind of commercial style garbage can, and it's perfect for our garage. It's the can that you go to when you have something huge to put it in, right? This opening is huge, and if that's not big enough, lift it off and look at this. I mean, it has a really solid plastic reinforced base, and on the bottom it has feet that have like rubberized grippy pads, so it stays level and steady on a surface. I have had this for well over a decade and no rust, just because this is such a high grade stainless steel. Here you got the little brand on it. And this also lines up really easily on these handles here. So the handles here make it easy to carry. The garbage can itself is super lightweight, but also super strong. No dents, as you can see, after well over a decade of use. This lines up with these handles here. It also holds any garbage bag you put in there. It comes out from under here, so it's never draped over the top. Easy to clean, easy to wipe down, looks sleek. Next to my other Simple Human garbage can that I have in the kitchen, this is my favorite garbage can ever.